Hi everybody, this is our third video update. First of all, we would of course like to thank you all for contributing and sharing.
And stopping by again to watch us talk.
We'll try to keep it a little shorter this time.
Yes. So it's been a quiet week at Kontinuum Prints. I've been really sick, so things have been moving slowly. I haven't moved at all. But even so, we've managed to do a few interesting things. First of all, we entered the Kontinuum Garden project into the 3D 4D challenge.
The 3D 4D challenge stands for 3D for Development Challenge, which is a competition that, by their own words, is looking for transformational ideas that could leverage 3D printing technologies to deliver real social benefits in the developing world. And we of course think that the Kontinuum Garden is perfect for that.
They're actually talking about us.
Yes, they just don't know it yet.
They don't know it yet. Maybe we're not big enough, or maybe they prefer teams with 20 engineers from MIT. So that's cool. We understand that. But we still think that if it's an idea-based competition, then we have a real shot. Because this is exactly what we're trying to do. We're using 3D printed technologies to make stuff that can make a difference in the real world.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else?
We could tell them what we've been printing this week.
We've been printing a cutout of the main wheel.
Yeah.
And the piece for the snap system.
Yeah, one end of one of the rails. So maybe you should have a closer look.
Yeah.
Check this out. So again, we've been busy printing stuff. And this is, of course, not just stuff. This is a cutout section of the main wheel of the garden. The gear wheel, which is what drives the whole thing. So this is roughly a 15th of the main wheel, and we made it mostly to check if the snap system that we have in mind for the rails works. And so we also printed, of course, a piece of the rail. Check that out. It's pretty obvious what's going to happen here, I think. These parts here bend in when you push the thing through the wheel, and then they snap back out, and these hook structures here keep it in place. So the first print that we tried for this model here, we had a power supply malfunction, so it only got about halfway up, but that's actually cool because it means you can see the inside. So this is basically how we save plastic. We have some very porous infill in there. This is 18% infill, so basically we have these squares holding the whole thing together, and this makes for a very, very solid piece. Even if it's not solid, it's extremely strong. So finished result, of course, top layer is solid, so you can't see all that good stuff inside. So let's see if it works. What do you think? Have a look at that, and then we go snap.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good, and it's rock solid. I mean, these are big chunks of plastic, so it's strong, but apart from that, we've got the precision, the tolerance is just right, and it's stuck in there. It's not going anywhere. So imagine two big wheels like this, with 15 of these holding them together. It's going to be rock solid. So I guess you can all appreciate how easy that is and how it just works. So we won't be needing any kind of extra mechanism or screws or anything to hold this into place. 15 of these holding the two wheels together. It's going to be really strong. So looking forward to making the full version.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next?
Next week's update. We've been working on figuring out what kind of pump design we want to use, and we've been going through 5 or 6 of them, and we think we've found one that's really gonna work for us. Yes. A so-called peristaltic pump.
Yeah. So 5, 6 different pump designs, not just in the design and the basic idea. So there's a few different basic pump concepts out there, and we're trying to figure out which one is easiest to 3D print and which one is durable enough and strong enough to keep this garden going and water our plants. So the peristaltic design basically has water flowing through rubber tubes. So that will be the non-printed part, and the rest of it is going to be almost totally 3D printed with a few ball bearings in there. Very simple design, and I think very sturdy and more than strong enough for what we need. So that's going to be the one we'll print, and that's what we're thinking of for the Kontinuum garden.
But we're still working on the 3D modeling, so
Yes.
we don't actually have anything to show you today. But next week we will show you a lot more of that.
So this is a really important part in the whole process, because once we finish the pump, we will have all the key pieces to the puzzle that is the Kontinuum garden, and we'll be ready to basically start printing as soon as we put together the big 3D printer.
So thank you again for contributing, and thank you for sharing.
Please continue to do so and tell all your friends, and thank you for stopping by to watch our very short update.
Until next time, take care.
Bye.